What's up, guys? This is Matt from GoTherics, and today I'm going to go over how to perform a pull-up. So a pull-up is going to be an overhead pull variation off of bar, rings, whichever you're doing, where you're going to be pulling down with a pronated grip. That means palms away from you, pulling down towards your chest. So with this, we're going to want to take a nice, good grip. Starts with a good grip on the bar. If you have to walk your way up to get to it, then do that. Okay. Then now we're going to engage the core and then drive the shoulder blades down for that active hold. Very important that you drive those shoulder blades down to get those shoulder blades and all of the muscles supporting your shoulder blades stimulated and stable before you rise to bring your chest to the bar. So the full rep looks like this. Nice grip, driving down and up. Down and up. As you can see, I have a little bit of problems on the right side getting that same activation as I do on the left. So I'm currently working on my shoulder stability, which if you're doing any one of our programs, you probably are also working on the activation of some of those shoulder muscles, just like me, that you may need to work on. Thanks.